Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to stream like I do in my streams with the LIV camera mod and also add overlays at the same time, but let's just head right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we gotta open up a browser of choice, and then after we done that we gotta go to twitch.com where we gotta make an account if you haven't already. And now that you have made an account, then you can move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to either download Streamlabs or OBS Studios. I prefer Streamlabs, so here you can see me download that, but you can also download OBS Studios if you prefer that. It's just that I personally like Streamlabs better because I feel like it's easier to come around it. But when it finishes downloading, you gotta, I agree, install, and then it just installs and then open up after it. Okay, so now I'm in OBS Studios, and the thing I'm gonna do here is make a new scene, and I'm gonna call this GTAG. Okay, and after I'm making a scene, go into settings, video, and then copy my settings here. And if you don't have enough time, then pause the video here. Okay, now it's time to make some text real quick. So I'm gonna add the text here, and I'm gonna call this, you gotta add new source instead if you already have some. And I'm gonna call this one the code, the code, and then you can type the text and say the font you want to use. I like the one that's called MV Bowley. That's my favorite one because I use it on all my streams. If you like it, then you can choose that, but you can also choose any other ones. So after you've done that, you can now change the font size, say what it says, code, and then we can type my code in, that is aura tag, and now you can add an outline if you wanna. I like it to 10, so I'm gonna change it to 10, and then after you've done that, you can change the color of it below, and then just pick any color you like. There are so many good ones to choose from this, and yeah, that's basically it for the texts. And I'm just gonna make a few more real quick, and then I'll come back. Oops, I forgot to tell you guys, you gotta look at me for YouTube down here, so remember to do that. Alright, now we gotta add a browser info and add new source, and this is for a live subcount by the way. So if you add now call it something, I don't know, subcount, yeah, and now we gotta get your browser, here, and go into YouTube, and after you come in here, then you gotta go to your YouTube studio, and then right, but now when you're here, then you go to analytics, and now you see live count, and now you can see your live sub count right here. So what you're gonna want to do here is copy the link up here. When you copy that, go back into Streamlabs, and now you gotta go back into the finger edit browser, and then copy the your URL in there, and now you have the sub count. Okay, now you wanna hold Alt so you can resize this. So click on it and then hold Alt, and then you can go in the corners there, and then you can hold and cut out everything else except then this up there. And when you do it, it should look something like this on screen. And I'm just doing it right now, I'm finishing up, and now just resize it up again and put it up there. As of currently right now, I can't I don't remember how to make it transparent, but you can just see a tutorial for that. Just search it on YouTube. But yeah, you can also interact with this like that, and it's pretty cool. So yeah. Alright, what I'm doing now is adding the thing where you can see when people subscribe. The alert box. You gotta add that. And you can change the things, so I changed it to be yippee, and then this sound yippee. But yeah, you can change that to anything you want. And you can also change the text there, but it just needs to be that name thing at the start, because then it's the name, it reads up. And yeah, I think that's about it for the alert box. The rest of the stuff in the alert box you don't really need it, because that's all stuff for money, and that's not important right now. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some background music into my video, or my stream here, not video. So the way I do that is you add a media clip here, or a file, and then you gotta download what's called a song or anything, and then you gotta find it. Like I have a folder and where I have a lot of songs in, and yeah, when it then you gotta find it, like found a song like I did here, and now I'm gonna take one. I'm thinking some LIV here. Yep, some LIV theme. That's very good. So I'm gonna take that. But there's really one problem. That's you can probably not hear it. So you gotta right click or no, scroll down on the right till you find it, and then interact with it by taking the little settings thingy, and then open properties. And now we gotta find it here, and now we gotta put it to monitor only. And that what it does basically is it goes from no monitor to then it changes to that. And yeah, that's the fix if you couldn't hear the music by the way. Alright, we're ready to now go on the headset. So yeah, I'm gonna meet you there. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm now recording on my headset. The way you do that is go to no, and then there should be something right for it. But anyways guys, so I have my camera here. Alright, so now what you wanna do is press this. And then it should bring up the LIV hub here. Alright, maybe you need to sign in, but yeah, you probably do. But after you then sign in, and go to here, connect socials, and now you can see I've connected my YouTube. You don't need to do that. I can just leave that. I don't need that. And my Twitch here, I'm just gonna leave that too, so I can show you guys. So connect, then connect Twitch. Now get this up. Okay, you don't do that, but it's because I already did it. But then you should be able to log into your Twitch account, and after you've done that, when you then go here, wait for that real quick. Okay, when you're now in Gorilla Tag here, if you go to stream, yep, and now I'm gonna do it like that because I like it like this. Yep, it's like the perfect size for Gorilla Tag live streams. So it's like when you scroll and stuff. So yeah, if you just press go live here, it's gonna go live. If you select, you gotta select Twitch here though. But when you don't, when you do that, you should connect. And now I am streaming on my Twitch. Yep. And the thing we now gotta do is back on the page. Also guys, if you're having any issues with this, make sure to comment. I'll do whatever I can to help. Okay, so now we're gonna insert a window capture thingy, and if you have the stream open on another tab, and then you can put that all the way back, open up, and then choose. Then you should be able to choose the Twitch live stream, and then it should start working from there. If not, then make sure to comment and leave comments, then I can try helping. Alright, after all that, you just gonna press live, go live there, and now we can make sure it's the on monitor there, and YouTube. Maybe you gotta connect it, I'm not sure. But now you can if you have a thumbnail like I have, you can choose it here, and you can look. Now I have it on, and then I just confirm and go live. I'm not gonna show it here, but yeah, I think that's about it. But there's one more setting I just want to show you guys real quick. Hey, future me. By the way, when you then go live, then if you go to your channel here, live, and then here when it's on YouTube, there should be control room, and if you then press that, you can enable so it's on the search feed. I just want to say you should enable that because it makes it so many more people see your stream, and it's so good. But guys, I think that's about it for this video, bro. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. But once again, if you have any questions, then I just comment it down below. I think I can help you with it. if you have any questions on why it isn't working for you. See you in the next one.